Hi girls, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine. In today's video, as always, we brought you new and unique hijab dresses ideas for hijabi ladies. And we hope you will definitely like them. These are different hijab dresses that are formal and casual as well. Apart from this, you can wear these hijab dresses on different occasions. They have beautiful scarves, but you can take your favorite scarves with them. They will look better in contrast. If you like today's hijab dresses ideas, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel.